Rabble Rabble Show. I got chat to them and make them chat for it.
Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only NASH-I Rabble Danger. And on this platform we do things different. Rabble Rabbles. Rabblings in a Jamaica, when it come towards relationship, you know we deal with it and makes it different. Duh. Well, right now me there with the Rabblings them and we are all a vibe concerning the females of today and love. Rabblings, right now statistics say a lot more single mothers out there with more than one child. How what you think really are going?
Well, we can tell you this, you have your girl fitting to her clot and one man breed her all 3 times. You must go fucking married her.
What you mean?
I want next man I gotta take her up with 3 pitney.
Why?
It hard.
For real, time really hard.
And if you not married her, I have to go blood clot cut off all in wood too. Fuck you tell me say, you have to breed all my girl pitney 3 times and just left her out there so. What's the ras, man?
True, but man, we'll find her and married her still.
It's rare.
It's rare.
Not rare, give me this.
Then I try to tell you rare.
Bad man, from the first one come.
Yeah.
I mean, sit down and we talk. You even know where this is going.
So the amount of you have will justify if she's a good woman.
Put yourself in her perspective.
Yeah.
You are going to take up a woman with 3 pitney on the road there. And you don't have none with her?
Well, it all depends still. Suppose the father do what I'm supposed to do.
Listen to me, man. The father do him,
You are just extra.
If the father do him married woman. You're not supposed to go that road there. So you forgot what? 3 times, man. He said, man. No, man. No, sir. Chances there, you go to go there with her, she go give one next one.
Because she has search for love.
Eh?
And it just a feel.
Which bit, what?
Just generally speaking, like how you just said, the man left. One man breed her 3 times left. If it would have been a better case, a 3 different man can search or search.
Yeah, well, it would have been a different case, yes.
Why?
But here I go now. The only thing is, you know, there's no know of your fault. You know why I say so? Because you don't know how to pick them.
What you mean?
If you go 3 times, you can't settle down, brother. You pick it wrong. Wrong, brother. You have to know how to pick them, you know.
Yeah.
Something you look for something and you're supposed to look for. You see me?
Just that, you know, some people look for the wrong things.
Yeah, man, you look for the wrong thing, man. You have to know how to pick them.
For example, give me a bad choice you think woman make.
Girl, they are foreign. She mind her youth, you know, the youth they with the father out there, you know, and the father was sent from Jamaica, yeah, so to tell the woman a foreign say. You hear me? Him not no socks to go school. Socks.
Socks?
You know hear me say?
Man, I go tell him woman said the youth have no socks to go to school.
Me say the phone call where you make from yourself go and find could buy 1 socks. How much is socks? So $50, 600, something like so. So if you buy 1 phone call, you could buy 1 socks.
A brother was sell socks, they get 3 nice socks for bills.
Alright. Then you hear me I say, I call her for me I say, yo, the only thing me say, yo, you know sir, you know if you pick them. Call me I say, hey, you have someone out there dangerous stuff like that.
Someone a shit still.
Yeah, but me always say,
just man.
You have some, let me tell you, the philosophy is, if a man find a woman for fool him, for fool her. Likewise, if a woman find a man for fool, she for fool him.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
So, you believe that?
Yo, brother, if you there with a older woman than yourself,
why you say?
she know say come with problem.
Yeah.
She must know say come with problem.
Why you say that?
Cause me can tell you this, you know, that's what them always say, you know, man.
Yeah,
if you age with the person when you're there with, you know, if you older than the person, when you're age, and you are age, because you're older than her, you age faster than she. Or whatsoever. You see me I say, who I got when you do something and you bend and she straight same way. You see me I say? Then the young people them out there and them think that, yo, It have to be like
So like
a rare case.
But you have money saying them young girl go fucking up.
Yeah. Because
straight to you, she can't.
but then on that me try to tell you say yo.
She have a look one man road she want to go fucking.
Sometimes bun good for relationship.
if a man send out him woman that our legal bun.
You see me I say? Cause let me tell you this.
How come?
The divorce is a problem, you know. Cause if the man go to the road and him happy and rare and anything, the marriage is nice, you know. Yeah man, the marriage is nice, man. If yeah, what the blood clot, you tell me say.
Woman that go and live with that.
Yeah, some woman live with that. Some woman live with that. Yeah. You have to do think about them things that to start me I tell you about Jano.
You just have to know say yo people and understanding me
You just understand yo
the more you can understand this person and comfortable with it are the best to you.
But you know why a woman no give a man bun? Cause she knows say it bun him. She knows say it bun him, you know, cause man no build a way then a man can't take bun, you know. Man can't take bun, bro. Not to mention, let me tell you, say if you get bun,
What you say?
don't want go witness the bun. Fuck up your meds. You see me? Your chip licky can't come back, my brother. Yeah, man.
Someone I don't know.
That is mad, man.
Yo, don't do it, dog. Not even video you want to see. If the girl even mention and say she give you bun yourself, and you don't see.
Imagine if you see.
I give that a boxers, ne? Blood, fuck under that.
You know, so when I'm to Vegas, film chip can't come back to none at all. You know, so him go like him a Christian and no one Ray and woman fit do this and woman fit do that.
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.
Kind of miss your old brother.
Let me hear what the public think. Chat.
What's new?
At the Rabble Show,